This video covers different search tools and databases. With so much information available online, it is very important that you can search for, find, and identify good quality academic sources to use in your assignments. There are many search tools available to assist with this, and it is important that you select the most appropriate for the kind of search you are undertaking. This short video will highlight 3 different search tools and their usefulness for searching: Library Search, Google Scholar, and Specialist Subject Databases. Located on the library homepage, you can use Library Search to search for books, e-books, journal articles, newspaper articles, and other materials located in the library, both electronically and in print. It is designed to be as easy to use as Google, so you can simply search by author or title for specific items or by keywords to find information on a topic. However, just like Google, you can be overwhelmed by the number of results, which may run into the thousands or hundreds of thousands. This is because, although there is an advanced search option, the search capabilities of Library Search are somewhat basic compared to other search tools such as subject databases. However, the results are ranked by relevancy, so the most relevant results for your search should be near the top of the list. Overall, Library Search is an excellent place to do a basic search and find library materials. Popular with many students, Google Scholar is a free academic search engine. Think of it as a scholarly version or subset of Google. Rather than indexing all of the information on the internet, Google Scholar only lists academic sources such as books, book chapters, journal articles, and conference proceedings. However, Google is less careful in what it indexes compared to the subscription-based subject databases, so you must make your own assessment of the credibility of the resources linked to through Google Scholar. Similarly, although Google Scholar is estimated to index upwards of 160 million items, it is not comprehensive and it is selective in what it lists, making it unsuitable for comprehensive or systematic searches. Although it is free to search Google Scholar, most of the content is not freely available. However, you can set up a connection to highlight the items which are available via the library. To do this, click on the menu icon, the 3 bars, at the top left of the screen. Now click on Settings and then Library Links. Type University of Leeds in the search box, select the correct option, and save. Now, any Google Scholar searches will show which items are available via the library. Subject databases are search tools which tend to specialise in particular subjects. Essential for a comprehensive or systematic search, subject databases allow you to search across a huge range of sources, including journal articles, research reports, policy documents, legislation, and more. By using the subject databases subscribed to by the library, you will be able to search more effectively and retrieve materials you might otherwise miss if you were only using Library Search or internet search engines such as Google Scholar. When database searching, as well as basic search options, you can use advanced search features to retrieve relevant sources and cut down the number of unwanted results. Databases also offer options to sort and refine results such as by date, language, and type of document. Although some databases can be general in coverage, most are very subject specific. If you know the general subject area of your research, but don't know which database to choose, look on the subject page for your course. On the library homepage, under the heading Student Essentials, you will see the subheading Subject Databases. From the A to Z list, select the relevant subject page and scroll down slightly to see the list of key databases in that subject area. Here you will see a short description highlighting what each database covers and a link to access it via the big green heading. Alternatively, if you know the name of the database, you can access it via Library Search. Simply enter the database name in the search box and select Search. So, remember that not all search tools are the same, and each has its own virtues and limitations. The key thing is to use the tool that is most appropriate to your search needs. For more information about search techniques, see the other videos in this series or look on the library website.